Hi, I'm the Alloy Geek. In this video, we're going to take a look at gold. Specifically, how do you carat gold? How do you know what you're buying or what you're selling or what you have? Now, in gold weights, we typically talk about things like for 10 karat gold, 14 karat gold, or 24 karat gold. But what does that really mean? So a carat weight typically means a certain percentage of gold. 24 karat gold, everybody knows that, that's pure gold. Now we talk about 18 karat gold, how much gold is in there? Carat weights are divided by 24, so 18 divided by 24, that gives us approximately 75% gold. This kind of technology is called XRF technology. What it'll do is, without even scratching or damaging your jewelry at all, it'll tell you exactly what's in there. So if you've got gold coins, gold bullion, gold jewelry, whether you're buying it or you're selling it or you just want to know what you have, an instrument like this will tell you exactly what's in there. Now you might be wondering, well, what if it's gold plated or what if it's silver? Well, this will do all the precious metals. We're just going to focus on gold today, and it also has plating detection in it, which we won't see today because we're going to be using certified reference materials to take a look at how this instrument works and talk you through testing the various gold alloys. We're going to start with 10 karat gold today. Now, 10 karat gold is approximately 41.5% gold. So I'm going to take this certified reference material and I'm going to load it into our XRF. Now, before we start testing, just make sure the window that you're testing on is clean and ready to go. Most of our samples like this are going to be clean, but if you're running a lot of gold jewelry or kind of junk gold that you're going to scrap out, then you want to make sure that that window is very clean so there's no dust or debris on there. So I'm going to center my certified reference material. And we're going to go over here to the software. Now take a look at this. This is the Olympus Vanta GX software. And all I have to do is hit this play button down here and it's going to start running. So while the lights are flashing on the instrument, the x-rays are on. This is a closed beam system, so I'm perfectly safe sitting here. And then we can see that we have an elemental breakdown for exactly what's in this gold certified reference material. So if we take a look at this CRM, which is short for certified reference material, we see that it's about 41.51% gold, which our instrument is shooting at 41.43%. That's pretty good given the uncertainty that we see with various technology. And that we for copper have 40.53%, which we're pretty close to as well. And lastly, zinc at 9.1%. And you can see all of these values are relatively close. So this instrument is working well. Now, you can also see on the top of the screen, this is a 10 karat gold certified reference material. You can see on the top of the screen, it says 10 karat. So we know that it is properly carated, and this value, the value of this material here is at 10 karat gold. So if you're buying jewelry, you would know, hey, that's 10 karat. So how about something with more gold in it? Now let's take a look at this next sample. This is a 14 karat gold certified reference material. I'm going to load the sample in the same way. I'm going to hit that play button and we're going to see how this plays out. Now this certified reference material is 58.3% gold. So we'll see here that we're pretty close to that value at 58.67%. Okay? And then we have some other alloying content, but most of the time when you're talking about gold, you're looking for just the gold content. The other alloy content is kind of a difference based on that. So I think we're doing well here. We hit 14 karat as well. That's important. Now let's look at 18 karat gold. We're getting purer and purer as we test here. So we'll set that certified reference material in here and we'll hit go. And each one of these tests takes just about 5 seconds to do. So it's not a long test. And if you are a jeweler or you've been doing this a long time, a piece of equipment like this can really help you. So gold, right? We said 18 karat gold is about 75% gold. This certified reference material for gold is certified at 75.3%, and we read 75.13%. So, you know, we're pretty close to that value, and the carat rate at 18 carats is spot on. So that's a great thing to see. Now, the one you've probably been waiting for, 24 karat gold. Now, 24 karat gold is pure gold, typically 99.999 pure, something like that. But in this case, this certified reference material is basically, from all measurable standpoints, it is pure gold. The instrument is going to say 99.99. There we go. So 24 karat gold, pure gold, easy to see. Now you saw in just a few seconds, any piece of jewelry can be tested. All we had to do was load that jewelry into this device here, into the Vanta GX, and we were easily able to identify it and look at how much gold is in there. So that's really great. And if there were platings on the gold pieces we were testing, there would be an alert that says something like, hey, plating detected, and then you would know. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you learned something, and if you did, leave a like or a comment down below. If you're looking for certified reference materials like these to calibrate your Benchtop or your handheld XRF, you can find those on alloygeek.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.